Hey guys, it's Kyle here. Welcome back to the HOGWORKZ YouTube channel. We are here today in our shop in Michigan, showcasing and introducing you to our 14 to current touring chin spoilers. The great news is we have these available to work with a chopped engine guard and also work with a standard engine guard. These, as always, come painted in 100+ OEM finishes, painted right here in the Motor City. We're gonna slide on over to Alex. He's gonna show you how to mount this chopped chin spoiler on this 14 and up Street Glide.
All right guys, installing this is pretty straightforward. In the kit is going to be included a wedge spacer and a nut. You'll need a 13mm wrench to put it on. You want to install this with the bike on the ground, without a lift or anything. And you'll want to turn the handlebars one way or the other. It just gives you some more room to get the chin spoiler in there and get it tightened down. All right, you'll notice on the wedge spacer, there's these two little bosses. Those are gonna go in the slot of the cross member on the frame. And then you'll want the flat facing the bottom. That basically puts this at the right angle for the nut to go on and pull it tight evenly. So you go ahead and slide this up in here. Put the bolt right through the slot in the cross member. And then again on the back side, take your wedge spacer, put it right over the bolt. And then take your flange nut, put it on the back side. And then it's a little tight in here. If you can get a socket in there, it'll work a little better, but or if you have a ratcheting wrench. And then you'll just want to go ahead and tighten it down and you're ready to go.